Alrighty, look at. I'm gonna go in a car wash because it's so cold here. You know. What do you want me to do? I don't wash the car in the winter. Look and check this out. And it probably looks cool on the video.
It
We're
does.
gonna be quiet now. We're gonna watch this thing. We're gonna go through this thing. Let's just send the car wash.
Okay. Yeah, about halfway.
It smells good.
I was just gonna say that.
Your soaps and whatever that, not like a wax, silicone, whatever they put on here.
We're at the car wash.
Car wash, yeah.
This is a long way away from the kitchen cooking.
I'm tired of that shit.
Good.
Like ice cream.
There's the big blowers.
Those things are like big mushrooms swimming around. There's my guy. He's gonna finish drying up the windows and the side mirrors. Check this roller going through it now. Here we go.
And now we're at the end.
I think I'll make it fucking dizzy looking at it.
Alright, we are done.
Alrighty. We got our green light, Mama Cat. Alright.
We'll see you for the next one.
Bye now.
Vacuuming the car. Alright. Now you got the backside here, huh?
That's alright. I got that on good.
Alright, we just vacuumed off the car. Pretty good. And there's the place.
That's nice.
Yeah, it is.
My God, it was really, really cold. But the wash was cold, yeah.
So I got a car wash and a free vacuum.
Absolutely.
Not bad.
Okay, I'm taking my time, people.
Alright. Bye.